going to the Philippines. We're both tired as it's only, what, maybe 6 o'clock now?
Hello guys!
She's pushing the trolley.
See you next month.
Do you want me to take it?
So we're checking in now. We're just scanning our passport and checking in our bags. Honestly, it's so much easier because you don't have to line up. Yay! She's scared.
I'm just trying to set up the
iPad for her.
and your mama's on you. Just gonna know some good.
Thomas. Hi. Hi. Hello. We just arrived to Manila with Tommy Boy. Tommy Boy. Hey, hey. No, no, no.
I love these kids. I love them so much, man. Oh.
We're here waiting for our baggage. Tommy is sleeping on me. Harmonica's still sleeping. She's sleeping. Oy, kawawa. Hello! Pagod! Kamusta ho? Hala, sige. Hello! Hello! Harmonica.
May ano na siya? May pit na?
Punta kami palengke. Tita Mean. Tita Gawan. Woohoo! Hindi pa nagtututran. Bumili kami ng SIM. Auntie bumibili. Hotdog. Palengke kami. First day in Inayawan. Buntes, kumain ka na. Scary. Papamigay si Don Steven. Papamigay. Ano pinapamigay mo? Mga damit, baby clothes, mga chocolate. Nagbibilangan pa sila. Uy, masarap yan. Hello. Ito kami ngayon sa saan ba to, te? City Mall. We're at City Mall. Hello, kuya. Dito kami. Ito pupunta yung isang yan. Ha?
Itlog gabi? Itlog gawa. Wanna try lugaw?
Uy, baka paglakarin mo ko, ha?
Bahala ka dyan.
Kain na.
Tilapia ha, Dara. 160 na.
Tilapia.
Nani ko te, kain nagtula kay magro.
Yeah? Haven't he moved over there?
I ordered some Jollibee for tonight. It's midnight and I'm very hungry because we didn't have any lunch. Yummy burger. How much Jollibee? You okay? Yummy. Jollibee. And it's raining at the moment here. This is the view outside of our hotel. So cute. Wait, this is not a hotel, is it? It's just a Airbnb. We're at Ocean Park, Cebu, with the kids, Auntie Janet and Auntie May, and where's Auntie? And then SMC side is just beside it. So from Ocean Park, we'll go straight to Seaside, so you can buy some things. You're too tall. Never again. We're at Mama's. Hello.
Okay.
Tambok na tambok. Kain pa more. Kain pa more. You okay na? Yeah. Don't trip. You'll end up.
All right.
Sa unang kagat, tinapay lahat. Angels
Box. Para sa 60.
Hi. Hi.
Sa tubangan.
Inyong ka? Immune?
Oil.
Immune? Inday?
Ritual na na. Ritual na sa day? Oo. Ritual na sa day. Para kuha sa pato.
Anda. Hi. Chocolate. Yummy. Hello, Tommy boy. He's enjoying the view, and so is Harmoniaki.
I'll give Smith a bit of money, I'll get it done.
Let's go.
It's 2:51, nearly 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. now. We just got home from Banjo's concert. Oh my god, I need to pee. Someone open the door.
Isipin na po yung muli.
Ano siya?
Ha? Yung to.
Mankanlaon pala yun. Yun.
Gwapo kayong kuwan ano? iPhone 15 no? 50 times zoom? Nagabot na ng release 16 no? Daghan na po kinamagkuan mo.
Punta tayo. Ay! Antok ka pa? Antok pa you. Punta tayo sa cottage namin. Hello, hello, hello. Malaki. Si Steve natutulog. May katulog na eh. No space. Dumating na sila. Mga na-late sila kasi yung truck na sinakyan nasira. Ayan sila oh. Mainit. Hello. Lechon. Woohoo. Ihaw sila. Yummy.
Hala, da. Yan di ka mada.
Mainit kaya man nakahubad kami. Or, pati si Tommy, oh. Tommy. Isa naman doon nag-iihaw. Ay, nag-iihaw. Nagpiprito.
Hey, lumpia, geng, geng, geng.
Geng, 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 geng.
Ano siya, konti?
Ang chef ng Inayawan.
Here. Yeah. Thank you. Tangina.
Ang kanila dahil mo na dahil?
Ang init.
Ate, itagak mo tayo tuloy. Ah, ganyan ba? Okay. Oh.
Ayun, Uncle, masakit sa kanya yung paa niya.
Oo, ito. So, bilahan ko yan, oh. Paano ito?
Oh, yeah, Uncle. Yan masakit.
Ina-Englisa. Piso,
Hello. You liking it? Yeah? You feeling good, yeah?
Ah, auntie.
Your grandpa to?
Banjo!
Hey!
Ikaw na! Inom!
Ah, sa akin niya kanina.
Ay! Papasok ka pa ba?
Hindi.
Hi! Ba't ka malungkot? Malungkot ka? Hi! Wow! So lucky! Hi, darling. This is our last day in Inayawan. It's okay. We'll be back here in 5 minutes, 5 years. Donna will be here soon. Hello! Wow!
Balik ka. Hello.
Pogi na taga-ihaw, oh. Luto sila. Ay, kanin.
Si Angelica, oh. Angelica, kaya. Masarap
Ay,
Angelica.
busog
Chicken
me.
spicy.
Woohoo! Yummy!
Chicken spicy, try. Sige.
Memi, Ana, ay ako'y busog.
Ina?
Is that memory school, love?
Huh?
Is that memory school?
Ano, meron pa
Ika ulit, aka. It's good, buddy. You eat. Buddy.
Na ikaw ay mahal.
Have you had one before? Have you ate one? The airport now.
Iyak na, iyak.
Hi guys!
We just arrived from Cebu. Meron akong duty free. Alak, pasalubong kay Father.